Now for this tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through how to take your PNG image into Canva to make a graphic or a flyer of some sort. Now in a previous tutorial, we spoke about how to create a PNG out of your subject to be able to place it to create flyers, graphics, or different things. So we're going to go to Finder. We're going to take our PNG and we're just going to drag it right on top of our Canva document. And as we can see, we have a PNG file which we can place and do whatever we want because the background is removed. So let's say we want to change the background. We can click the background. We can change the background color. You can play around to see what colors you like. I think this tan is actually really pretty. It blends well with her skin. And now we're going to click the T to create a text. So let's say we want to say, stay tuned for surprises. So we can make the text bigger. We can make the text bold. We can even put the text behind her because it is a PNG file. So we're going to go to position and backwards. So now the text is behind her. I'm going to play with the line spacing to bring the words closer together. Let's say that we wanted to add in some other cool elements like some texture of some sort. In regards to texture, I'm going to go to Google. And let's say, what is something festive? Just Google celebration. Go to images. Oh, confetti. So let's say we like this image right here. I'm going to right click, copy the image, go back to this Canva document. I'm going to paste it. And now I'm just going to stretch it out in the background. All right, and now that it's stretched out, I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to go to position and I'm just going to bring it to the back. So now you can just move it around. And as you can see, it's behind her. We're still seeing the stars and some of the confetti. There's so much that you can do. Now, if you have the premium version in Canva, you can actually select your image and remove the background as well, which is very, very helpful. But if you decide to do it in Photoshop the way that I did, then you can just drag in your PNG and you can do whatever edits you would like for your graphic. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I can't wait to see what you create.